Namaskaram to all. We are here on Sunday afternoon, April the 19th, episode 4 of Value the World, since we are in it together. Through this channel, we are conveying our thanks to all the frontline service personnel in healthcare and delivery industry and grocery industry who have been helping us to stay safe at home, and pray for the entire world to recover from this hardship, the hard times, through our Nama Sankirtanam. So in that, I would like to invite Srimati Jyoti Krishnamurthy and Srimati Akila Shankar to begin the evening program. Go ahead.
Thank you so much, Shrikant ji, for this wonderful initiative to connect, make us to all of us to get connected during these trying times. Also, this is a very special moment for my good friend and singing partner Akila for giving us this opportunity to sing for a noble cause almost after 10 years. Thank you so much for this. So today we will be presenting a Kruti composed by Sri Muttaya Bhagavata in the Raga Valachi, where we addressed Devi as a Roga Nivarani. So we thought that is very apt for this trying times. So we will be presenting that Kruti. Thank you.
Katyayani Gauri Uma Katyayani Gauri Gauri Kali Haimavatishwari
Shive Bhavani Rudrani Shive Bhavani Rudrani Sarvani Sarvamangala He Devi He Devi Dehi me Saubhagyam Dehi me Arogyam Dehi me Paramam Sukham Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Sarvani Sarvamangala Jalandhara Supitaste Jalandhara Supitaste Jalandhara
जालंधर सुपीठ सेज कुसुम बासुरे 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 जालंधर सुपीठ से बालार्क कोटि प्रभे 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 बाले परिपालिसो बालार्क कोटि प्रभे बाले परिपालिसो द पद దని సా సాని ని ద పద పద ద పద దని సా సాని ని ద పద 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 ని ద పద ని ద పద సాని ద పద जालंधर सुपीठ सेज कुसुम बासुरे जालंधर सुपीठ से भवरोग निवारिणी भवरोग निवारिणी भक्तजन परिपालिनी भवरोग निवारिणी भक्तजन परिपालिनी भवरोग निवारिणी भक्तजन परिपालिनी नवशक्ति स्वरूपिणी नवशक्ति स्वरूपिणी नवशक्ति स्वरूपिणी नवशक्ति स्वरूपिणी नवशक्ति स्वरूपिणी नवशक्ति स्वरूपिणी नाद हरिकेशरा नवशक्ति स्वरूपिणी नाद हरिकेशरा द पद దని సా సాని ని ద పద పద ని ద పద సని ద పద సాని ద పద जालंधर सुपीठ सेज कुसुम बासुरे जालंधर सुपीठ से
Thank you, Shrikant.
That was a nice, we started off with a very divine beginning. Thanks to Srimati Jyoti Krishnamurthy and Srimati Akila Shankar.
Thank you, Shrikant.
For their, Next, I would like to invite Srimati Priya Vasant to give her 7 minutes rendering.
Namaskaram. Thank you, Shrikantji, for giving such a wonderful opportunity to sing and for a noble cause. Thanks a lot. I'll be presenting, I've taken a small shlokam from Ramcharitramanas, followed by Pibare Ramarasam in Ayurveda. पश्चात् सुमित्रा सुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वानयोर्वार्वादे कोणेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युगधर्मरासुतो सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युगधर्मरासुतो जाम्बवान् वन्दे मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामलम् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं श्री सीता लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्ननुमत्सवेद श्रीरामं भजे श्यामलं श्रीरामं भजे श्यामलम् पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं जनन मरणभय शोकविदूरं जनन मरणभय शोकविदूरं सकल शास्त्र निगमागमसारं जनन मरणभय शोकविदूरं सकल शास्त्र निगमागमसारं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं सुखशौर्य
हरे नाम रसम राम 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 लोक समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोक समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोक समस्ता सुखिनो
That was very nice, Srimati Priya Vasant. When we all chant together Rama Rama Rama, it comes as a Mara Mara Mara, no death, eternal, right? So nice rendition. Next, I would like to invite Sri Vishal Chapuram from Chennai. He is born, brought up in this country, moved back to India, Chennai, keeping music as his main profession. We applaud him for his wonderful move and wish him all the best for his move. He is going to give us a performance in Chitravidana.
Namaskaram to everyone. Thank you very much, Shrikant sir, for having me. I will present Mayamma in Raga Ahiri, Aditalam Shama Shastri.
Thank you. That was very nice, Vishal. We don't see much of Chitraveena. Thanks to you for bringing Chitraveena sample to us. We'll have more lengthy programs in future now, so please come and play for us. Thank you. Next, I would like to invite Srimati Shanti Mahadevan to give her rendering.
Namaskaram, everybody, and a very happy new year to all of you. I just want to join Sri Srikanth and all of you in expressing our sincere gratitude to the frontline workers, and also to beseech that Almighty for benevolence and grace. Here is my humble imploration. And I've also chosen two, three lines, and that is taken from Mariamman Talat to be sung before the composition. குழந்தை வருந்துகிறது உன் கோவிலுக்கு கேட்கலையோ மைந்தன் வருந்துகிறது உன் மாளிகைக்கு கேட்கலையோ பாலிகை வருந்துகிறது பார்வதியே பார்வதியே அம்மா அம்பிகையே சந்நிதி விட்டு இங்கு வர வேண்டும் அம்மா. கருணாநிதியே தாயே கடைகள் பார்த்தருள்வாயே கருணா நிதியே 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 தாயே தாயே அருணோதயம் கண்டால் அகலும் பனி இருள் போல் அருணோதயம் கண்டால்
அகலும் பனி இருள் போலருணோதயம் கண்டால் அகலும் பனி இருள் போலருணோதயம் கண்டால் அகலும் பனி இருள் போலன்னையுந்தன் அருளிருந்தாலகன்றிடுமே துன்பவனோயன் பரம கருணா நிதியே அன்னையுந்தன் அருளிருந்தாலகன்றிடுமே துன்பவனோயன் பரம கருணா நிதியே தாயே கடை கண் பார்த்தருள்வாய் கருணா நிதியே தாயே உன்னை மறந்து என் வாழ்நாளில் ஒரு கணமும் இருந்தது ஏனே அன்னை மறந்திளம் சிசு உண்டோ அவ்வனமுனை நம்பினேன் நானே உன்னை மறந்து என் வாழ்நாளில் ஒரு கணமும் இருந்தது ஏனே அன்னை மறந்திளம் சிசு உண்டோ அவ்வனமுனை நம்பினேன் நானே மனம் நினைந்த அன்பரையாள மயிலை வந்த கற்பகம் நீயே மனம் நினைந்த அன்பரையாள மயிலை வந்த கற்பகம் நீயே எனது பிழை பொறுத்தருள்வாயே இனி ஏது துணை மேதினியில் மாதுமையே கருணா நிதியே மனம் நினைந்த அன்பரையாள மயிலை வந்த கற்பகம் நீயே எனது பிழை பொறுத்தருள்வாயே இனி ஏது துணை மேதினியில் மாதுமையே கருணா நிதியே தாயே கடைகள் பார்த்தருள் வாயே கருணா நிதியே தாயே தாயே
Thank you, Shanti ji. Our Divine Mother will come hearing our prayers as you sang. Next, I would like to invite Srimati Sridevi Joshiala and her son Mukund Joshiala from Houston to give their rendition.
Namaskar. I'll be singing Innudaya Bharade, Purandaradasa composition in Raga Kalyani Vasantam, set to Kandachampara. ஆதிமூலவந்தே ஆனையுகரதரே ஆதிமூலவந்தே அஜமிளனுகரதரே ಅಜಾಮಿಳನು ಬರದರೆ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಬಂದಂತೆ ಅಜಾಮಿಳನು ಕರೆದರೆ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಬಂದಂತೆ ಅಡವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ರುವರಾಯ ಕರೆದರೆ ವಾಸುದೇವ ಬಂದಂತೆ ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದ್ರೌಪದಿ ಕರೆದರೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಂದಂತೆ ದಾಸರದಾಸನು ಕರೆದರೆ ಎನ್ನ ಪಾಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಎನ್ನ ಪಾಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಜ್ಞಾನ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾ ಬಂಧುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾ ಬಂಧುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾ ಯೋನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳೆದು ಬುಟ್ಟಿ ನಾನಾ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾ ಬಂಧುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾ ಯೋನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳೆದು ಬುಟ್ಟಿ ನಾನು ನಲ್ಲದು ಎಂಬ ನರಕದೊಳಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ನಲ್ಲದು ಎಂಬ ನರಕದೊಳಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ನಲ್ಲದು ಎಂಬ ನರಕದೊಳಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀನೇ ಗತಿಯಂದು ನೀನೇ ಗತಿಯಂದು ನೀನೇ ಗತಿಯಂದು ನೀನೇ ಗತಿಯಂದು ನಂಬಿದ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನುದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಇನ್ನುದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಹರಿಯೇ ಇನ್ನುದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಮನೋಮಕಾಯದಲಿಂಗ ಮಾಡುವ ಕರ್ಮಗಳು ದಾನವಂತಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ದಾನವಿದೆ ಮನೋಮಕಾಯದಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡುವ ಕರ್ಮಗಳು ಧನವಂತಕ ನಿನಗೆ ದಾನವಿದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರೇನು ಪ್ರಾಣ ನಿನದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ 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 ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ ಪುರಂದರ ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ ಪುರಂದರ ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ದಾಸನ ಮುರಯ ಭಾರತ ದಾಸನ ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಹರಿಯ ಮುರಯ ಭಾರತ ದಾಸನ
That was nice rendering, Sridevi ji. When Gajendra and Draupadi can invite, call for Krishna, when Krishna can come, I'm pretty sure our prayers also will be heard by Krishna. Thank you. Thank you, Mukund, for ably accompanying mom. Next, I would like to invite Srimati Deepa Murthy to give her rendering.
I will be playing Taratiya Garada, Draga Gauli Pantu. I would quickly like to present Baro Krishnaya. It's a Ragamalika. Hope Krishna is listening our prayers.
Of course. Thank you, Deepaji. We played so well. Why Krishna won't come, right? Next, I would like to invite Sri Srini Prabhala for his rendering.
Good evening, everybody. Really happy to be presenting to this wonderful forum. I would like to present a composition written by Agyata Vaggayakara Sri Tum Narsimhadasu. Some of his tunes, unfortunately, have lost, so I tuned this song in Ranjani Ragam. And I offer this as a humble prayer to Lord Narayana. Karuna Paravara Karunalaya Gambhira Karuna Paravara Karunalaya Gambhira Narayana 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 Om Namo Narayanaya Om Namo Narayanaya Om Namo Narayanaya Narayana 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 Hare Narayana 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 Hare Narayana Ganamuni Narayana Saure Narayana 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 Hare Narayana Ganamuni Narayana Saure Narayanaya Om Namo Narayanaya Om Namo Narayanaya Sariga Sanida Sariga Ma Da Sanida Ma Gariga Sa Sariga Sanida Sariga Ma Da Sanida Ma Gariga Sa Sariga Riga Ma Gama Da Sariga Sa Sariga Sa Sariga Riga Ma Gama Da Sariga Sa Nida Mada Karuna Kara Sharanagata Bharana Mrudu Charana Karuna Kara Sharanagata Bharana Mrudu Charana Aruna Aruna Bimbadhara Charana Bhavarana Aruna Aruna Bimbadhara Charana Bhavarana Narayana 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 Hare Narayana Ganamuni Narayana Saure Om Narayanaya Om Namo Narayanaya Om Namo Narayanaya Sari ga sani da sari ga ma da sani da ma gari ga sa sari ga sani da sari ga ma da sani da ma gari ga sa sari ga ri ga ma da sari ga sa sari ga sa sari ga ri ga ma da sari ga sa ni da ma da Varabhadrachala Vasa Varamrudu Gunabhusha Varabhadrachala Vasa Varamrudu Gunabhusha Varada Ramadasanvaya Bhusha Kilavesha Varada Ramadasanvaya Bhusha Kilavesha Narayana 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 Hare Narayana Dhanamuni Narayana Sauri Narayana 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 Hare Narayana Dhanamuni Narayana Sauri Namo Narayanaya Om Namo Narayanaya Om Namo Narayanaya Om Namo Narayanaya Om Namo Narayanaya.
Thank you, Shriji, for a nice composition, and also you set to music very, very nicely. We want to hear more of such rare compositions which are lost in time. Now, all this, what we are doing every week is we are doing what we call as a Shravana Yajna. You know, when the rishis come home, they do the yajna, fire, using a fire. Similar to that, every week the singers and performers, they are giving us Nama Sankirtanam, and our ears are like Yagashala. All the Nama Sankirtanams are making us from being a human being to being human. Now, Nama Sankirtanam has much more powerful than the God himself. As per the history, once Durvasa had to curse Hanuman, he called Rama to attack Hanuman. And Rama, being a very righteous king, you know, he does everything for the right way, whatever the Guru told. He was trying to do the astram on Hanuman. Hanuman was not perturbed. He was sitting and meditating and chanting the name of Rama, 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 Rama. So even the Bhanam, which was released by Rama, could not do anything to Lord Hanuman because he was chanting the Rama Nama. So with that, Nama has more power. So that's what we are doing every week. Thanks to all the performers today who have done beautiful kritis in their way, like Dayananda Saraswati told very famous Maharaj Brahma Santanam about the Nama Sankirtanam. He was mentioning about Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. He was insisting on introducing Bhakti Rasam in all the songs and compositions, which is what we're hearing every day, every week here. I want to thank you for your performance. And I would like to request every one of you to turn on your video for a minute. So we'll have your views also, please.
Hello, Shrikant ji. How are you? I heard everything.
Thank you, Auntie.
Very nice. I enjoyed every bit. All singers sang well, Appa.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Shrikant ji. Thank you.
Very nice. So nice to see. Don't go away. Don't go away around recording. Many of you are off the video. Please turn on. We want to see you in the video. You don't get a chance of seeing you, right? At least this to see you. So wonderful to see everybody. So nice.
You are doing so great service to the Nadopasana. Appa.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All
It's-
God's blessings for all of us. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you all. Next week, we have again a lineup of great performances coming up. And
Okay.
don't go away. Thank you.